Welcome to today's tutorial, where we'll be learning how to make durable and stylish paving bricks with Lucky. Lucky is also learning the process, so we'll go step by step together. First, he pours the blue oxide mix into the mold. This mix will give our paving bricks a beautiful color and even texture. After adding the oxide, it's crucial to mix it well with water. The right water-to-oxide ratio is important for the brick's final color. Too much water, and the color will dilute. Too little, and it will be hard to mix thoroughly. Lucky is carefully blending the mix to ensure an even color distribution throughout. Remember, every step of the process impacts the final look of your paving bricks. You can experiment with various oxides to achieve different colors and shades. Blue, red, and yellow are the most common oxides used for paving bricks, but the combinations are endless. For example, adding more oxide can create deeper tones, while using less gives a lighter hue. Each color brings a unique style to your paving project, whether you're building a walkway, driveway, or decorative garden path. To ensure strength and durability, we use a specific concrete mix ratio. For high-load areas like driveways, we recommend a 1:2 to 3 ratio, which means 1 part cement, 2 parts sand, and 3 parts stone. This mix gives the bricks the durability they need to withstand heavy traffic. For lower load areas, like patios or garden paths, you can opt for a 1:2:2 mix. Properly balancing these ingredients is key to creating paving bricks that not only look great, but will last for years. One of the most important components is the cement, as it acts as the binder that holds everything together. The quality of the cement and the exact amount used impacts the overall strength of your bricks. For example, using less cement may result in weaker bricks that may crack over time. Using 150 kilograms bag of cement with the right mix can make about 110 to 130 paving bricks, depending on the size of the mold and the precise mix you're using. If you're ready to start making your own paving bricks, we offer high-quality molds at affordable prices. These molds can produce thousands of bricks over time, making it a cost-effective investment for personal or commercial use. We ship throughout South Africa and internationally, so visit tlstore.co.za to learn more about our products. After mixing the cement, sand, stones, water, and oxide, it's time to pour the blend into the mold. This step requires precision to ensure the mix fills the mold evenly and creates smooth, well-shaped bricks. You can tap the mold lightly to remove any air pockets, which helps prevent imperfections in the final product. Once the mix is poured, it's important to let the bricks set for at least 24 hours. This curing period allows the cement to harden and the brick to develop its full strength. Rushing this step can result in weak bricks that are prone to crumbling or breaking. Once they've fully cured, you'll have strong, long-lasting paving bricks ready to be used for your next project. Using 1 bag of cement, mixed with river sand, stones, water, and oxide, you can typically produce around 110 to 130 bricks. This calculation depends on the mold size and exact material mix. Each brick plays a role in creating the final look of your paved area, so it's important to get the mix just right for consistency and strength. In our next video, we'll show you how the finished bricks turned out after curing. Be sure to check it out to see the full results and learn more about brick making with Lucky. These molds are available from TL Store. Visit tlstore.ca to get yours today and start creating your own paving bricks. Don't forget to like and subscribe.